Hello everyone. You're watching my YouTube channel Chemistry by Saad, and my name is Saad. I am online expert science and chemistry coach. I have been providing my tutoring and educational services across the globe, including different countries such as USA, UK, UAE, KSA, Australia, Malaysia, China, and Pakistan. Today, I want to share with you guys what I have experienced during my tutoring and educational services. I feel that during online lessons, most of the students they have no idea how to take class lesson notes, how to take class lecture notes. They usually don't know what they should write in their notebook and what they should not write in their notebook. And I also experienced that most of the students they don't even keep notebook and pen with you in class. I suggest you guys, do keep your notebook with you, and obviously write things in your notebook. These notebooks are very helpful. Such notebooks are very helpful to make your class lesson notes. And what you have to write, you don't need to write each and every single word what your teacher is uttering. You can write important points, you can write important examples, important concept what teacher is discussing with you. Do you have any idea what is the benefit of writing such notes? Handwritten things have their own importance. Today this is the digital era. Everybody is taking pictures, everybody is taking online lessons, but handwritten things and handwritten material have their own importance. So I suggest you guys do write what your teacher is telling you, what your teacher is discussing with you, and try to make a separate notebook. For example, if you are taking lessons of physics, then it's better if you have a separate notebook for physics. If you are taking lessons for mathematics or chemistry, it's better if you use separate notebook for mathematics and a separate notebook for chemistry. And I suggest please keep color pen, keep different colors pen with you, and try to write things in a beautiful way, in a beautiful manner. These notes help you to increase your understanding about your concept, about topics. I found that most of the students they don't write. This is not a good thing. I suggest you please do write what your teacher is telling you. Ask your teacher to give time for writing. Request your teacher to give time for writing. Such handwritten notes also develop your good memory, and you can produce concept in exam as well. Because in the exam, most of the exam you have to write with your pen, but in your online lessons, because students are sitting in their own comfort zone in their home, they usually don't write things. So I suggest you please do write, please do write. One tip I want to share with you guys during note taking process. Let me open my whiteboard. When you are writing, when you're taking notes, do mention the day that today we have Thursday. Do mention the day. Also mention the date, the month, and the year. Then write the subject name. Like if you have to take chemistry class, then write chemistry here, and also write the name of the topic which you have to discuss in this lesson. This is my one tip. You can also search many other tips by using Google and internet. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do share this video with your relatives, with your friends. If you want to enjoy my tutoring services, feel free to contact me via this WhatsApp number. Thank you so much.